How to import Google Authenticator codes. Let's get started. Launch your Google Authenticator app. Your Face ID will be enabled or you'll need to type in your passcode. After you do that, you will be directed to this page where you're gonna find the list of the codes that is linked with your Google Authenticator app. Now, how to import Google Authenticator codes. For that, click on three bars given at the top left. Navigate to the option Transfer Accounts. You'll get two options, Export Accounts and Import Account. Select the option of Import Account. You'll need to select the accounts you want to transfer from the Google Authenticator app on your old device. Tap the menu button at the top left of the app, find Transfer Accounts from the menu, then follow the instructions to continue. Now click on Scan QR Code. Now scan the QR code of the device from where you want to import the Google Authenticator. Once you scan the QR code, all the codes will be available in this Google Authenticator app. So this way you are able to import Google Authenticator codes. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.